Hello, say hi to a happy day and enjoy listening while I read to you a story. The Nightingale. A long, long time ago, ancient China was ruled by a rich and proud emperor. The emperor loved to be surrounded by fine, expensive objects. The more they glittered with jewels and gold, the happier he was. He had a magnificent palace filled with priceless treasures, which overlooked the most exquisite gardens. Talk of the emperor's spectacular palace and gardens spread far and wide. Its beauty was held in such high esteem that many people wrote stories about it. The emperor liked to entertain himself by reading these books. He would sit in his throne room, nodding his approval at each new line of praise. He was a very happy man until the day he read something that filled his proud heart with jealousy. In the forest, beyond the emperor's gardens, there lived a tiny brown nightingale. The nightingale loved to sing. Every evening it would warble melodies so beautiful they filled the heart with happiness. The emperor hadn't even known of the nightingale's existence or the matchless beauty of its song until that moment. "Get me the bird, I must hear it sing. How can anything be so beautiful than my palace?" screamed the emperor. His lord-in-waiting hurried off to find the nightingale. "Little bird, please come and sing for the emperor," he said. "It would be an honor," chirped the tiny bird. Back at the palace, the nightingale sang its glorious song. The tenderness of the melody touched the emperor's heart. "You must stay and sing for me every day," he cried. Day after day, the tiny bird sang his magnificent melodies for the emperor. He never complained about being kept in a cage, but he grew sad because he missed the freedom of his forest home. Then one day, the emperor received a gift. It was a clockwork nightingale made out of gold and jewels. Its song was beautiful, and the emperor loved his new toy so much that he lost interest in the real nightingale. The little nightingale escaped and flew back to his forest home. A year went by, and the emperor played his mechanical bird day and night until finally the toy broke. The emperor was devastated. Now he had no bird to sing to him. He was filled with sadness. Day after day he grew weaker and weaker. Then one evening, as the emperor lay in his bed close to death, a blissful harmony suddenly floated in through his open window. It was the nightingale. "You came back," whispered the emperor. He felt comfort in his heart, and his fever disappeared. "I do not deserve your sweet music. How can I repay you?" "I don't want anything," replied the nightingale. "Knowing that I have touched your heart is enough. I can't come and live in your palace, but I will visit you every evening." The emperor's face filled with happiness. He realized how foolish and empty his love of riches was. He had been given a second chance, and he vowed to rule his empire wisely from then on. The end. I hope you enjoy listening to this story, The Nightingale. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to listen to more of our favorite book stories. See you soon!